Hey, 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 hey. How you doing? Yeah, today I don't know what my intro is, so and I don't think I'm gonna be going into my what's it called? My shed. So be back. Hey, I'm back. So right now, oh crap! Now you guys aren't gonna like this, but I'm gonna have to cut out twice. So speaking of which, I'm gonna have to cut that out. So. Also, ding! Ah, ah, ah. I'm gonna be riding my bike. Look, look at my sick bike. No, I'm not that small. Just my parents decided to buy that bike. So I'm gonna go ask. See ya in a couple seconds. Hey, I'm back. I just asked. My sister just wanted to play too. So, maybe don't talk to me as much. Guys, I'm doing a vlog. And I'm gonna go ride a bike.
Can I say hi to them?
Also go subscribe to Livvi. Not right now after this video. Go subscribe to Livvi. And also go I'm just biking for now. Oh hey guys. Did you think that did you flinch? That was my purpose of doing that. Yeah. I'll be waiting for Livvi over here. So here's my dark end of the place. It's not that bad. So we're gonna turn. Also, don't worry. I am not holding my camera. I have a camera connected to one of my handles. So, also, I am definitely not walking or running. So don't think I am. Also, I may stop at some times for, well, you'll think, what the heck? If you live where I am, watching this man, I tend to stop at some places for some reason. Putting 2 minutes to the video. And if you guys are surprised, it's kind of obvious. I mean, I've been counting because I have a limit in time. You guys may know it. But since I have too much storage on my space, I can only go to 4 minutes. So I have to be bored. Oh, by the way, you guys are probably worried about me ending the video when I shouldn't be. But I'm sorry if I do. If it just ends and I put this on YouTube, I'm sorry. Okay, we're gonna swap to the other camera, so see you in 5 seconds. Yeah, I'm back. And I'm at my place. I call it the time station. I made it, so tell me what you think of it when we inside. Right now we're at the parking lot. So here's our yield sign, because you gotta yield. Sidewalk. So we got 1, which is cracked up, 2, which is okay, 3, 4, which is where my bike is, 5, and 6 is kind of yield. So we got 1, 2, mistake, 3, 4. Over here, we got our speaker and our button. We got this, which I'll explain that. This, which I'll explain that. You know what this is. If you don't, I'll explain that. ATM. 5, 6, 7. Now this side kind of got washed away. So this was the ATM. This was what that thing was last time. That was what that thing was. If you didn't know, so I'll explain. That's what that was. This is music, what they're saying, what we're going to be saying, and our button to let us talk. So let's get this out of here. Keep our place clean. Oh, it's by a lake, by the way. Dumpster. The inside. No, it's not. Pretty good. We got a gate here, so you can't go through here. We got a stop. That doesn't look like a stop. Another dumpster.